Depending on the degree of oligoasthenospermia and whether or not other fertility alterations exist in both the man and the woman, the appropriate treatment to achieve a pregnancy can vary. In principle, oligoasthenospermia has no cure. However, in milder cases, lifestyle changes like a healthy diet, quitting bad habits, moderate exercise, and taking vitamins and antioxidants can improve sperm quality. Conversely, if oligoasthenospermia values are more critical, or if natural conception isn't achieved, the couple will need to turn to fertility treatments to try and get pregnant. Basically, there are two assisted reproduction treatments suitable for these patients. Artificial insemination. This would only be indicated for mild oligoasthenospermia, as a minimum sperm quality is required to ensure success. The post-wash motile sperm count must be at least 3 to 5 million. Additionally, there are requirements the woman must also meet, such as tubal patency. IVF-ICS is usually the technique of choice for patients with moderate or severe oligoasthenospermia, or when artificial insemination isn't possible or has failed. It involves micro-injecting sperm, selected under a microscope, into the eggs retrieved through follicular puncture. Thanks to in vitro fertilization, many barriers in the male and female reproductive tracts can be overcome to achieve pregnancy. Furthermore, ICSI even allows for the fertilization of eggs with completely immobile sperm. The only requirement is that their integrity is intact, meaning they aren't mistaken for dead sperm,